let's see together how we can solve a problem on sets using Venn diagrams. We have the following word problem. Toward the middle of harvesting season, peaches for canning come in three types: early, late, and extra late, depending on the expected date of ripening. During a certain week, the following data were recorded. 34 trucks went out carrying early peaches. Now, what we mean by that is that 34 trucks had early peaches, but they may also carry late or extra late. 61 carried late peaches, 50 extra late, 25 early and late, 30 late and extra late, 8 early and extra late, 6 carried all three, and 9 carried only figs, meaning they didn't carry any peaches. Now we want to create the Venn diagram and write down all the different numbers that they will represent the number of elements in each region. What do we know? We know that there are 34 total trucks that they carry early peaches. There are a total of 61 trucks that they carried late peaches. 50 trucks carried extra late peaches. We also know that we have a total of 25 trucks that they carried early and late peaches. There is a total of 30 trucks that they carried late and extra late peaches. There is a total of 8 trucks that they carried early and extra late peaches. We also know that there are 6 trucks that they carried all three. And we know that there are 9 trucks that they carried no peaches at all. We have these numbers, and we are looking to find the numbers for the elements in the rest of the regions. We are missing some regions here. The regions that we do miss are the following: this. These are the first that we have to fill in. Since we know that there are 25 trucks for early and late, and 6 trucks that they carried all three, this means that the number of trucks that they carried only early and late will be 25 minus 6, so 19 trucks. In the same way, we know that 30 trucks carried late and extra late, minus the 6 trucks that they carried all three, there are 24 trucks. And in exactly the same way, we find that the number of the elements in this region will be 2. Now that we know these numbers, we can go ahead and find the regions here, the numbers for the regions here, here, and here. Okay, what do we do now? We have to fill in the numbers for that. We have to calculate how many trucks carried only late. Okay, the number of trucks that they carried only late will be a total of 61 that they carried late and something else, minus 19 that they carried early and late, minus 24 that they carried late and extra late, minus 6 that they carried all three. The answer to that will be equal to 12. Then we do the same for the extra late. The extra late will be 50 in total, minus 2 that they carried early and extra late, minus 6 that they carried all three, minus 24 that they carried extra late and late. For the early only, we do exactly the same. We subtract 34 minus the 2 that they carried extra late and early, minus 6 that they carried all three, minus 19 that they carried early and late. And this is equal to 7. Well, this was equal to 18. The numbers that you have to fill in here now are 7 for the early, 12 for the late, and 18 for the extra late. As you can see, we have filled in the entire Venn diagram and we know the elements, the number of elements for each one of the regions. The last step that we have to take now is to find how many tracks in total do we have. So in order to do that, we have to add the numbers 9 for those that they carried only fixed, 18 plus 12 plus 7 plus 2 plus 24 plus 19 plus 6. And the answer will be 97. So here we have answered all the questions.